we don't follow Jesus because he makes life better. We follow Jesus because he is better than life. There is a terrible teaching. You see it on TV all the time. It's people with big hair and weird accents all the time. And it's kind of this principle of, hey, Christians give in order to get. So it's this vibe of like, hey man, you give 10, he's gonna give you 100. You give 100, he's gonna give you 1,000. You give 1,000, he's gonna give you 10,000. Listen to me. What the prosperity gospel does, it is a form of reverse discipleship. It is actually discipling you out of the image of Jesus Christ because it promises health, wealth, and happiness while ignoring stewardship, sacrifice, and suffering. Listen, it creates Christians who pretend they love God, but what they actually love is money. And they're using God to get money instead of using money to please God. It disciples you out of the image of Jesus, okay? So listen, Jesus died for you, but it's not all about you. And listen, we don't follow Jesus because he makes life better. We follow Jesus because he is better than life.